for somebody else.
I'm sweet and salty, and down my body.
Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, hello, welcome. My name is Sarah and do feel free to subscribe down below. I haven't made a video in a little while, I apologise. I've honestly just been very busy, so I apologise for that, but I am back. Hi, hello. Today's video is gonna be another outfit kind of lookbook type video, but we're going to be doing it based on Animal Crossing characters, because as you may or may not know, the new Animal Crossing game is dropping in like 2 weeks, something like that, and I am absolutely buzzing to buy it. So I thought, why not make a little video inspired by the characters themselves. So I'm going to be modelling some looks. I say modelling. I'm going to be showing you guys some looks based on the characters, so it's going to be kind of like inspired by, because a lot of my wardrobe doesn't really match the Animal Crossing aesthetic, so it's going to be kind of based on what I have. So before we get into the video, if you guys are brand new here, do subscribe down below and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So that was my little lookbook video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, click subscribe down below, and thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!